Today's video is going to be short because it could rain any moment. But the reason we're out here is because of this dusk to dawn dimmable security light. It has a motion detector, so if it detects motion, it comes on. Then after a set limit, light goes back off. Or you could set it so that at night it comes on dimly. Then if it detects motion, it comes on at full brightness and then drops back down to the lower level, toward the lower level. So it's sort of an outdoor night light, if you will. The problem that I'm having right now is this bulb is not dimmable. So fortunately, we can set it to just come on when it detects motion and go off. But I do need to replace the bulb. Plus, it's also not a nice looking bulb, which leads us to today's product. Thanks to the Home Depot Seeds program, we're looking at the Ecosmart 100 watt replacement, which only uses 13 watts, but puts out 1600 lumens. You get 4 bulbs to the kit, and what really is good for us is it's dimmable, and it can be used in a wet environment because it's wet rated, and of course, it's LED, so it's going to last, at my age, a lifetime. And unlike some other LED bulbs, these can be used in an enclosed fixture. Rated at 3000 Kelvin, the color temperature is what's considered bright white. And as you can see, it has that Edison kind of bulb look to it with the 4 elements that glow brightly. Unlike the non-dimmable LED bulb on the right-hand side, this one is clear and the light emanates from all around the bulb, whereas with this one, it only illuminates from the side and outward. So you have a dark area coming back. This bulb eliminates all that. And with the added advantage of being dimmable. A special shout out to those of you who have pressed the subscribe button. Don't be left out. Join the team. And indeed, there is a light drizzle going on, so let's see if we can make quick work out of this. We're going to remove the nuts that hold the frame up against the globe. Once that's out of the way, then we can just simply replace the bulb and then reinstall in the reverse order. Even if the bulb didn't work, its appearance has already improved the look of this fixture. Now we test the unit to make sure that it's working. A nice bright white light without any hint of blue for only 13 watts, 1600 lumens, and 3000 Kelvin color temperature. And it's UL certified. While in this video it may only look like just a white bulb, I can actually see the individual filaments, and it gives this fixture a very nice look to it. It is dusk. The light has automatically come on. Let's see what happens when we go out there and it detects our motion. Ah, you saw it. It brightened up. That's why we need a dimmable light, so that this function can work correctly. And now it's gone back to its dim mode. And it'll remain that way until it detects some motion. I now have switched the fixture so that it only turns on when it detects motion, as opposed to being a night light. If you found this video interesting or useful, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, join the subscription team. And as always, thank you ever so much for watching.